The dream of never touching a heavy, hot iron again is exactly what scammers count on when they design these sleek marketing campaigns. We have all looked at a heap of wrinkled laundry and wished for a magic wand. Along comes a machine promising an inflatable mannequin that supposedly dries and presses your clothes while you sit back and relax. It sounds like the ultimate household revolution. You just slip your damp shirt over this balloon-like frame. You turn it on. You let the warm air do the heavy lifting. They claim it works for everything from delicate blouses to heavy trousers. It even claims to handle shoes and then fold away smaller than a traditional ironing board. On the surface, it feels like a total win. But the moment you start looking past the flashy video clips, the fabric of this story starts to unravel. This technology actually isn't new at all. Well-known appliance brands have tried versions of this before. Even the big names struggle to get real, crisp results on thick fabrics or stubborn creases. If the giants of the industry can't master the physics, why should we trust a random website with zero history? This specific device is shrouded in mystery. There is no clear company background. There are no verifiable technical specifications. Instead, the site is filled with vague marketing buzzwords that avoid any real substance. When a company uses heat and air pressure but won't tell you the actual power ratings, that is a massive red flag. You are basically being asked to gamble your money on a gadget that might not even show up. Even if it does arrive at your door, it probably won't deliver that professional look they promised. These devices usually end up being glorified hair dryers for your clothes. They might reduce some light wrinkles, but they won't replace a real iron. The lack of transparency is the most worrying part of the whole deal. Truly innovative companies want you to see their testing. They want to show off their durability and their retail presence. This store offers none of that. It feels more like a sketchy online gamble than a legitimate breakthrough. If you really want to save time, stick with a high-quality garment steamer from a brand you actually recognize. It is less futuristic, sure, but it actually works. It won't leave your bank account crying. We all want the robot that does our chores. But this isn't the answer. Buying into these unproven gadgets usually leads to a closet full of plastic junk and a lot of regret. Keep your expectations grounded. Keep your wallet closed until a real proven solution hits the market. It is better to spend 10 minutes ironing than to lose $100 on a fancy-looking balloon. Innovation is great, but it should come with proof. Not just a slick video and a checkout button. Sometimes the old-fashioned way is the only way that actually gets the job done. Don't let a well-edited social media ad convince you that the laws of physics have suddenly changed. If it looks like a miracle, it is probably just a mirage. Stay sharp and keep your money where it belongs.